So guys, Decentraland Mana can hit around $2 per coin, and before we get further into it, we want to check out our stochastics, which is right here. We're at a good entry price right now to be buying in. So yeah, check that out. Obviously we're using TradingView. That's the website for those that was asking. Yeah, so um, if you want to go buy the ebook, it's gonna be in the description. The crypto ebook, make six figures guaranteed. This bull run, don't forget, we're in the bull run. Uh, so yeah, guys, very much just be very quickly with what you gotta do. Be fast. If you wanna drive these Lamborghinis, these Aston, you wanna have this Aston Martin, you want this Rolls Royce, you want these mansions in Dubai, then go do yourself a favor, invest yourself £47 in yourself and go get yourself the ebook, because that way you'll be able to be an alpha man in crypto and in this investing and looking after yourself, because without it you're not going to really be able to do much. I can't really lie in the space. So it's gonna be, I can't be teaching you on every single video because you're not going to be able to watch all the videos. So it's better off you getting a crypto ebook, and that way you'll be able to join our Patreon. Do you know what I mean? You can comment down below when you've done that as well. So um yeah, that will be good for you guys. So see you guys when you've done that, and all it does is takes 2 minutes. Out of all the value that we give, if you check our other videos, we give you 100x gems, 40x gems, 10x gems. It's nothing new. Do you know what I'm saying? So go check that out and go get it. Be so quick with it. So yeah, guys, man, what can I say? But you guys gotta jump on this wave, because this is quarter 4 now. Right now is actually October, and it's near the end of the year. So everything is gonna just be skyrocketing soon. And when the ETFs get overbought and they outprice everyone, you can't really jump back on this bandwagon. So that's what I'm trying to say to you guys. So the market cap is 500 mil, and the volume's been 1 M for today. So it's pretty good. It's nothing too crazy. So there we go. I want to draw this fib like that, and we can see $2 is very much not even realistic. Yeah, it is realistic. It looks like it can bounce back quite soon, to be fair. By I'd reckon about January, we could see an increase to around $2. So yeah, there you go. You can see that really soon. Like really soon. So go get your bag before you see like a huge increase. But $2 is really possible from now. So don't miss out on a like 8x on your money from Decentraland. You know what I'm saying? So again, it's not financial advice, but 8x on your money is something that you don't want to be missing out on, especially now in the heights of the market. So even us, we be buying our bags and topping up all the time. So that is basically what it is like. So yeah, just keep looking out for that, man. You know what I'm saying? So that's literally a $2 income, and it's currently at $2 sorry, 26 cents 87. That's where it's at. So yeah, that's enough of us gobbling on about it. We all love Decentraland. Decentraland. So nothing wrong with the coin. It's a good coin. In today it's done 40 million volume, which is pretty good, and 500 million market cap. So I'm gonna go to like about decentralized device itself, as its virtual reality platform allows users to create, experience, monetize content and applications. In this virtual world, users purchase plots of land that they can later navigate, build upon, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a 24 million initial coin offering ICO that was conducted in 2017. The virtual world launched and closed its beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, the users have created a wide range of experiences in their parcels of land, including interactive games, floating 3D scenes, and a variety of interactive experiences. Decentraland uses two tokens, Mana and Land. Mana is a ERC20 token that must be burned to an acquirable non-fungible ERC 721 land token. Mana tokens can be used to pay away a range of avatars, variables, names, and etc. on the marketplace, which is good. It is a huge advantage. So you can see what we're going here with this coin. It's got a lot of potential. The digital platform is completely owned by its users. Within the decentralized metaverse, participants can explore the virtual world, purchase plots of land that can be monetized, create works of art, own non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and take part in a decentralized organization of the platform, decentralized DAO. Due to the DAO, the community influences the development vector of the project. So essentially, it's like Roblox or Sandbox, but they've got their currency as a cryptocurrency, which obviously holds value, and it is pretty cool. You know, everyone's bullish. Like everyone is so bullish on Mana. Um, we can see this do a very big increase. Mana gives its holders the right to vote in Decentraland. Mana can be purchased on cryptocurrency exchanges or by selling collectibles on decentralized marketplace. So people can sell their decentralized, and that's how they purchase their mana. So they will be holding mana. They will be officially a holder of mana. The owner of tokens convert them to the wrapped mana or W mana and then commits them to the DIO. One equals one vote. Alright, you get what I'm saying. So as for land, it's a non-fungible token NFT based on Ethereum. Okay, so guys, this is like a big partnership, but you know, we can look at the founders. We got Ariel, Mitchell, and Easton Obador. You know, both who've stepped down from major positions at the project, but they still work as advisors. They've had several startups, including an online translation agency and a CRM platform. He's worked as an analyst at Silicon Valley Venture Fund. So yeah, guys, this can really this can definitely do this 8x, guys. Come on now, go and get your bag and go get the ebook. On the other hand, Eston O'Donnell is the decentralized former tech lead and has been very history in the cryptocurrency space, working as a software engineer at BitPay. So, guys, this shouldn't be played with. You know, I feel like everyone should be owning a piece of this. You know, yeah. So the bull market's just commencing, guys. It's just commencing. You know, if you put in £200, you're not risking anything, guys. Go check out our other videos for more, literally, and check the links below for our social media, the crypto ebook, and the newsletter.